Good morning, good morning. How you doing from Garner, North Carolina? So today I'm starting one of my Geobins. So a good friend of mine gave me some wood chips. I've got bags of leaves, shredded bags of leaves, compost for my worms. I did some coffee grinds in there. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna layer it. So I've already put some food on the bottom, and I'm gonna just put a layer of the shredded on top of this, water it all, and then do it all over again when I get some more food from the supermarket. But there's my garden there. There's some bags and there's a tumbler. There's some extra bags over there. So signing off, this is my compost with a Geobin. So I've had this trash can. It was actually about 3/4 full of food that I got from Lowe's food, and I do got a hole in the bottom. So actually there's several holes in the bottom. It's an old trash can, and of course once I filled it up I put leaves and grass clippings and all that fun stuff. Well, there's also a bunch of worms in there now eating the food, and I actually had it to the top with shredded leaves, so it's gone down quite a bit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a couple spoonfuls, get some worms into this, and then put it into my new bin over there. It's just earthworms, nothing else, no red wigglers or anything like that. And there's my Jora. Love this guy. It's pretty full right now for the winter, so I just started filling this side up right here, and it's just starting to smoke a little bit, heat up. Anyway, that's what I'm gonna do. So keep you posted. All right, so I just dumped it in here. You see there's some worms in here, some big guys. See some cocoons in here. So I'm just gonna spread this out a little bit and put a little bit more shredded leaves on top and a little compost, and I'm done for now.